Alright, well, for anyone who's been watching me on YouTube knows, or on Google Plus knows, I got some sweet bars in from DirtRacks. I'm going to install them today. They are incredibly heavy, but it's also 1-inch steel tube all welded together, so let's see how they go on. So the first step is going to be to get these out. The new kit came with some awesome new bolts to put them on, a little bit longer than the originals, because that's going to mount roughly there. Not going to fight with it right now before I get the bolts off, but I have test fit it just to make sure that's where it goes. One thing to note though, the bolts that are in there are 12mm, but the new ones are all 13. So I gotta update what I bring with me places now as far as my toolkit. But let's go. Coincidentally, you can get red Loctite free. Usually you have to heat it up to about 500 degrees. As you can see though, new bolts are longer so that they can accommodate the extra material on either side. The other bolt that has to come off is here. Breaker bars are wonderful things, and once again slightly longer. As per the normal, I'll be deferring to my friend Loctite. I know I got a 13mm socket somewhere, I'm just lazy. Of course, by being lazy this time I'm doing more work, so what does that say? I don't want to make it too tight yet. I want some play so I can adjust the front. Front here, you can see that's lined up enough. I can fight the bolt through those. Oh, I lost a screw. That sucks. Hardware store today, I guess. Oh well, back to that. Now the reason I did the right side of the bike first is because this is the side that these push through from. Ba-da-da! I'll put the Loctite on the other side. Oh, look at that. Some days, it's almost like these things are meant to go on. Look at that, that's kind of nice. And now that I know this is on, I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up. We'll get started on the other side. Alright, so this side's the same. I'm going to have to take off this bolt, and once again, I'll Loctite those up and just throw it on there. That should be it. So it looks like someone replaced this bolt at one point in the past, because it is a 13. The other side was 12. It's kind of weird. But it did prompt me to go get my 13mm socket, so I can't complain too much. Because technically I can complain all I want. I mean, did manage to bite me a little bit off camera. But I don't consider it a complete project until I was drawing some blood. Thanks to all the weight on this side. Ooh, work smarter. What are the odds of that happening? Yeah, that sucked. Well, now that that mess is out of the way, all I gotta do is Loctite, washer and a bolt, or a nut, and we'll call this done.